All right, I haven't worked on shot a video in a while of working on the jet. I've been working on various components, the main gear, the nose gear. I think I've posted some videos on that. Right now I'm putting the main gear basically together with the main brake assembly. This is the main brake assembly right here, and you can see the pucks, various pucks that go in. That's a spacer. Anyway, pucks that go in here. This is the rotor, which is right here. I had to drill some holes. These three holes right here, here, and there. Had to up-drill those, and in doing so, one of them I basically ruined. Not sure if it was my fault or the metal, but I got a feeling it was probably me. I think it was this one right here. While drilling, if you're not careful, you can basically harden the metal. And I hardened this hole so much that I couldn't finalize the drilling on it. I just would not. I tried all kind of different drill bits and reamers and everything. It just wouldn't do it. Fortunately, it's only $12.50, so I ordered a couple of one and a spare. So let me go out and show you. You can see right here, these bolts have basically countersunk heads. So you have to countersink these holes in the rotor. And that's what I've been working on over the last quite a few days, is drilling those holes and then countersinking. So I'll stop here and then go out to the drill press and show you how to do that. Okay, you can see here's the drill press, and I bought a special countersinking tool and bits. And you can see that I've successfully countersunk these holes right here. Here's the screw, or the bolt rather. It really is a bolt. And you can see it goes in. I might need to do just a little bit more because it sticks up just a little bit. But one thing is you can always take more away. You can't add it back on. So I'm just doing this very carefully. This tool, this is about 70 bucks. A little expensive, but very well worth it. It comes with different bits that screw up in here. I'm sorry you can't see that very well. I'll show it to you at the end of this. And that basically is that goes into the hole, and then there's maybe you can see it here again. I'll show it to you in a minute. And it basically cuts the cuts the countersinking right here for the head to go into, so it lays flush, because this is the brake rotor, and obviously you can't have that head sticking up as it's going around and the pucks are pushing on it when you apply the brakes. So let me go back in here and I'll show you that bit. Okay, here are the bits that that screw up into that the rest of the tool, countersinking tool. And these are very sharp. They've actually got some plastic on them to protect them when they ship them to you. That tool came with, I think it was 4 bits, different size bits. I think, I can't remember now, but anyway, I ordered, I have 5 of them all together. And anyway, very useful tool. So that's what I've been working on, and you see the tires and everything else. So I'm just taking a while to do that. It takes quite a while because I stop and I test the bolt and see if it fits, and then I do it again, and it's just time consuming. So with that, more to come.